Titanic, the night the unsinkable ship disappeared. Imagine stepping onto the most luxurious ship ever built. Every room shines with elegance, the finest food is served, the world's wealthiest people walk its grand halls. Everyone around you believes one thing: this ship can never sink. But in less than 3 hours, that confidence would vanish beneath the freezing waters of the Atlantic Ocean. This is the true story of the Titanic. In the early 1900s, crossing the Atlantic by ship was the fastest way to travel between Europe and America. To dominate the competition, the White Star Line built a ship unlike anything the world had ever seen. The RMS Titanic was nearly 269 meters long and weighed over 46,000 tons. It featured luxurious first-class suites, elegant restaurants, a swimming pool, a gymnasium, and the famous Grand Staircase. Newspapers called it one of the safest ships ever built, and many people believed it was practically unsinkable. On April 10, 1912, the Titanic left Southampton, England, carrying more than 2,200 passengers and crew. Among them were millionaires, workers, families, and immigrants hoping to begin a new life in America. For 4 days, everything went exactly as planned. Passengers relaxed, laughed, danced, and enjoyed the luxury around them. No one imagined that disaster was waiting just ahead. As the ship entered the North Atlantic, several nearby vessels sent warnings about large icebergs drifting into its path. The messages reached the Titanic, but the ship continued moving at high speed through the cold, dark ocean. Then, at 11:40 p.m. on April 14th, everything changed. A lookout suddenly spotted a giant iceberg directly ahead. The warning bell rang. The bridge was alerted. The crew immediately ordered the ship to turn, but it was too late. Instead of crashing head-on, the iceberg scraped along the starboard side, ripping open several sections below the waterline. Seawater poured into the ship faster than anyone could stop it. At first, many passengers didn't even realize something was wrong. Some continued talking, others returned to their cabins, believing the ship was too strong to sink. But below deck, engineers already knew the truth. The damage was fatal. Captain Edward Smith made the difficult decision to evacuate the passengers. Lifeboats were lowered into the freezing night, yet there was one terrible problem. The Titanic carried lifeboats for only about half the people on board. Even worse, many of the first boats left with empty seats because passengers still believed they would soon return to the ship. As the bow slowly disappeared beneath the water, panic spread across every deck. Families became separated. Parents searched desperately for their children. Crew members guided passengers toward the remaining lifeboats while knowing many of them would never survive. In the middle of the chaos, the ship's musicians continued playing music, hoping to calm frightened passengers during their final moments. Then, at around 2:20 a.m. on April 15, 1912, the unimaginable happened. The Titanic split apart. Within minutes, the world's greatest ship disappeared beneath the icy Atlantic Ocean. More than 1,500 people lost their lives that night. Hours later, the rescue ship Carpathia arrived and saved around 700 survivors floating in lifeboats. The tragedy shocked the entire world. Investigations revealed serious mistakes, including the lack of lifeboats, excessive speed in iceberg waters, and failures in emergency planning. Because of the Titanic disaster, international maritime safety rules changed forever. Ships were required to carry enough lifeboats for everyone, maintain continuous radio communication, and improve iceberg monitoring to prevent another tragedy. More than a century has passed, yet the Titanic still rests nearly 3,800 meters beneath the Atlantic Ocean. It is no longer just a ship. It is a symbol of ambition, hope, courage, and the danger of believing that human achievement can never fail. The Titanic may have disappeared beneath the sea, but its story will never be forgotten.